ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
Nice, there you go. You gotta stay on it, bro.
Yeah.
So what's your belief now, man?
I just don't have enough knowledge to make a decision. You know?
I got you, man.
I can't act it.
Yeah.
We call that perpetrating. I can't.
Nah, I feel you're not gonna fake the funk. I feel you.
Exactly.
You ain't a poser.
But I'm definitely.
But tell me this:
I'm definitely
in your heart,
to expand my knowledge.
when you pray, who do you pray to?
Jesus.
Jesus. But don't you think that Jesus prayed to somebody else?
Yeah.
Right? Who did Jesus pray to?
I'm not completely positive.
I got you.
From my understanding, it was Jehovah.
God, right? So if Jesus prayed to God, why wouldn't you pray to God directly? You feel me?
Yeah, I do as well.
Yeah, okay, there you go. But think about this. God knows everything, right? And many verses in the Bible, for example, about the fig tree, I can show you the verses if you want, but I think you're up on it, right? Jesus didn't know a lot of things, right? Jesus even prayed for God to take that cup away from him, like he didn't want it, right? When he was on the cross, he said, why have you forsaken me, right? So you know somebody who's in need themselves can't help you. You feel me? Like Jesus, Muhammad, Abraham, Moses, these are all prophets, peace be upon them, we love them, but we don't worship them. When you gotta pray to the God of Jesus, the one that Jesus put his forehead on the ground and prayed to. You feel that? Right? That makes sense to you?
I dig it.
You dig it, right?
Gotta expand my knowledge.
Expand your mind, bro. Don't worry about it. I'm not trying to rush you, but look, you're here, I'm here, we're just talking, right?
Yeah.
Think about this. That one creator, if he sent Jesus and Abraham and Moses, and you worship the creation, not the creator, don't you think it's wrong?
I get what you're saying.
Right? Like Jesus told the people to worship the Father. Moses told the people to worship God. Abraham told the people to worship God. Muhammad told the people to worship God. Peace and blessings be on all the prophets. None of them said worship me. You feel me? Who did Jesus, and even in the Christian distorted Bible, who did he say? The one true God. Right? Talked about God in Uthman. So as Muslims, we worship that one God only. We don't worship Jesus, Moses, Abraham, Muhammad, Noah, David. We don't worship any of them. We love them, peace be upon them. We don't worship them. Does that make sense to you? It does, right? We believe that those were prophets. They had miracles. They were great people. Jesus was born without a father, miraculously. Adam was born without a father or a mother, right? Eve was born from Adam, miracle, miraculous birth. I feel it, right? Abraham, he was thrown in the fire, didn't burn. Like if I throw you in the fire, you're gonna burn, right? But Abraham didn't. Moses split the ocean. Me and you can't split the ocean. The Prophet Muhammad, he split the moon. Can you split the moon?
No way.
That's a prophet, that's a miracle, right? You feel me?
Yes, sir. What's
Come
your
on,
name
man.
again,
My name's Uthman.
Pleasure to meet you.
So how come you're not a Muslim, man?
I gotta learn some more.
All right, but do you believe there's one God?
Never said I wouldn't become a Muslim.
All right.
I don't have enough knowledge.
You got a Quran, man?
What's that?
You got a Quran, the holy book?
I don't. I probably
Can you get a Quran for the brother?
At the
I'm
house
gonna give you
probably
one
have.
anyway, free as a gift from me. All right? You got a backpack? You put them in. I want you to read it, and I want you to think about it, and I want you to understand. What's your name? Andre?
DeAndre.
DeAndre. Look, life is short, bro. We don't know when we're gonna die. Fame, money, riches, broads, everything is temporary in this world. The most important thing is that you recognize who's your creator and you worship that creator. The one God, the one Allah, the one that sent all the prophets. That one, that's not a man, it's not a woman, it's not a child, it's not an ape, it's not a monkey, it's not an elephant, none of that. It's that one creator that created everything, the universes and all that, right?
That's true.
That is going to be more important than anything else in life. You feel me? So I'm not going to pressure or rush you.
Yeah, I know.
You in San Diego?
Yeah. We're just having a conversation.
Where are you from?
San Diego.
San Diego. Where do you live? What neighborhood?
East Lake.
East Lake. Oh man, you way out there in the boonies. What you doing out there in East Lake? Can you give me a card? I'm gonna give you a card.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, contact us, bro.
Thank you.
You feel that?
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure talking to you, man.
God bless you.
And tonight, I want you to do me a favor. Tonight, when you get home and you're tired, go and pray to the one God. Not Jesus, not Muhammad, nobody else, one God. And say, oh God, guide me to the truth. Make me your servant. Make me the one who does your will. You feel that?
I feel you.
You gonna pray that tonight?
Thank you, man.
All right, man. Have a good one, bro. But you believe that God knows everything, right?
I don't know, and right now I'm at a critical time point in my life because I just lost my mom. She died.
I feel you. I
So
feel
it's
you.
like I'm in
That's
deeper.
rough.
I'm in deeper mode of.
But
what
see, that's
this is right now,
that's
you
what
know
I'm talking about. God brought you here for a reason,
Yeah.
at this time, at this critical juncture in your life.
Yeah.
Because right now your mind is open. You see that life isn't about money and fame and stuff. Your mom was here. She did good things. Now she's gone, right? One day me and you are gonna be gone. When is that? I don't know. Somebody could smoke me right now walking home, right? Somebody could smoke one of you brothers right now, right? Some cop could come up and mistake our identities and shoot us. So you don't know how long life is, right? So you got to be ready. You got to have that connection with the one great creator. And you know that God's not some white dude, right? You want some cross with some blue eyes and blonde hair hanging. That's not God. God doesn't get killed. God doesn't ask, take this cup away from me. God knows everything. God can do everything. Nobody can overpower God, right? You feel me? You feel me or not? Right? That's what I'm talking about. And you believe that, right? The one God, the one creator, we don't put any pictures to him, no images to him, knows everything, can do everything, and loves us so much, he sent us guidance. Like Moses and Abraham and Jesus and Muhammad, peace be upon them, those were the prophets sent to guide us. You believe that, right? There you go, man. You got that, man. You got that Muslim belief, bro. You're there. You believe in the Prophet Muhammad?
I gotta do my research.
But think about this. The Prophet Muhammad, he split the moon. Right? The people told him, showing his miracle. He said, what do you guys want?
The Prophet Muhammad split the moon.
Split the moon, brought it back together.
Believe that?
I believe that. I got eyewitnesses.
Split the moon.
Split the moon as a miracle.
But I don't understand. How could you believe that, and then how could you say that Jesus is not God? If you believe in a man,
Excellent.
split
I believe that Jesus had his own miracles. I don't believe the Prophet Muhammad split the moon from his own. It was a miracle from God. Jesus healed the sick by the will of God. Moses split the ocean by the will of God. Those are all miracles of God given to his prophets. That's what I believe. What do you think?
No, that sounds about right.
That sounds right, right? So you think an average man, if I tell you right now, can you split the moon, would you be able to do it? You can't. Only by the will of God. If you're a true prophet, you get that miracle. Right? So what do you think about the Prophet Muhammad now?
He is a prophet of God.
Look, you believe in one God, you believe in one creator.
The Prophet Muhammad, is that the same people that Farooq is talking about?
No. Farooq is kind of there, but not there yet. He's getting there, but he's a little bit off. Yeah.
Your boy was telling me there's a different. He's Nation of Islam.
Yeah. Farooq and the NOI. They kind of stepped out into their own little offshoot, you know. Like you see Muslim, you see all different colors, you see black, you see white, you see brown. We ain't about racism, right? We're all one love, right? One Muslim ummah. My brother, he was Mexican. My brother Richard is white. My brother right here from Tajikistan. We got all kinds of brothers from different Saudi, different countries, black, white, don't matter to us, right? NOI is more racist, right? It's all about black. They don't want to get no white people. They don't get no Mexicans. We don't believe in all. We believe prophets were sent to every nation, right? You feel me? Yeah. So anyway, tell me this, man. If you believe in one God and you believe the Prophet Muhammad the Prophet, aren't you a Muslim already then?
Yeah, I believe so.
Let's do this, man. Let's do your testimony like your brother right here, man.
Yeah.
You ready?
What?
We're going to testify that you believe in one God.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Arabic first or English first? How do you want to do it?
Well, what? I don't know if I'm ready to say that.
That means you're Muslim then.
But I don't want to be like I'm a Muslim and then not be like I'm just saying this too.
I feel you.
You feel what I'm saying? Just
I
to
feel
say
you.
it, like,
I feel you.
I'm serious about it. I want to be serious about it. Like,
I appreciate that, and I'm not gonna pressure you.
No.
Right?
You feel what I'm saying? 'Cause
You feel me?
I don't want to just say it with you to be a yes man to say that with you and then I leave.
I appreciate that,
because
man.
then that would be meaning that I'm a Muslim.
That'd be a hypocrite, yeah.
You feel
And
what
you
I'm
ain't no
saying?
hypocrite. I feel you.
I got real blood.
But tell me this, man. I can tell you real. But tell me this, man. If you have the belief, the rest has to come in bit by bit. You're never going to be perfect. Right? We all got shortcomings, right? So if you got the belief,
I don't want to play around with it as far as
Good.
I want to treat this serious.
Right? I feel you.
To be honest,
Look.
I'm not that type of person that I could be like I'm here and then
Nah,
I
you gotta
into seriousness.
You gotta be serious about religion, especially about God, man. Where do you live at?
I live in LA.
LA? All right. This brother lives in LA. Give him your number. Keep up with him. Whenever you're ready, we're here for you.
Yeah. Write
Right?
the number
You
down
feel
on
me?
the card.
Go for it.
I like to learn and I like to.
Saul, get his number, inshallah. How you doing?
get a Quran.
Yes. English?
English plus.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Any questions?
No, I just want to read it.
Excellent. Read. Have a great day.
All the way back to free information about Islam. It hasn't been changed. You can go to any Muslim anywhere in the world. They're going to tell you the same thing.
There you go.
My name's Mark, brother.
Lamar, good to see you, man. We don't pressure people, man.
nah,
But don't wait too long. Don't procrastinate, man. You feel me? Because the devil's going to try to get you distracted. You got the books. Read up. You got the brother's number.
Real dude, like you saying.
I can tell you real. All right. All right, man. When you're ready,
Disrespect y'all.
I appreciate that.
Saying that like that, like
Nice.
Just that is just because I'm saying that.
Right. When you're ready,
Disrespect to y'all. I look at that as
I feel you. It's disrespect to yourself because that you ain't no hypocrite.
Exactly.
You keep it real. All right, man. When you're ready, we're here for you. All right. But don't let the devil distract you, bro. Keep your path. This is my brother. He's gonna do his Shahada. He already believes in Allah. Now, so I'm gonna do it in Arabic first because you want to do Arabic first, right? There you go, man.
I don't know how to do it.
I got you.
all right,
I
bet
got
you
you,
help
bro.
me. All right,
I'm
bet.
here
All
for
right,
you.
all
All
right,
right. You
bet.
just say it
For
after
sure.
me.
For sure.
Ashhadu
Ashkadu
al
al
la
la
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammada
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluh.
Allahu Akbar. That's it, man. You Muslim, bro.
You made it,
All right. Did it.
MashaAllah, brother. I love you.
All right. We gotta do the English still. All right. So I bear witness
I bear witness,
there is none worthy of worship
none worthy of worship
except Allah,
except Allah.
and I bear witness
I be a witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the servant
is the servant
and messenger of Allah.
and messenger of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. That's our second today, man. There you go,
Thank you,
bro.
my boy.
My boy from Ohio.
Thank you.
Send a shout out,
Thank you.
Maurice.
Thank you.
Right?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate that, man.
Yes, sir. Appreciate
Inshallah.
you, man.
We'll give you some more books. Any questions you got?
No, I got
You got
two
it?
of them in my bag. Yeah.
Cool. You got a card?
Yep, I got a car. I got actually,
Oh, you got everything then, man.
I got everything. Man.
Okay, you good
actually,
too.
This is,
Here, take this with you, bro. Oh, you got it. All right, cool. This is good, man. It's all free, bro. We got you.
yeah, you already know. Bro.
Alhamdulillah. You know how it is.
Yeah.
Nice, man. How you doing, bro?
أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر بادية آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر